Alright team, what's going on? As you know, the lasagna is not a kitchen, but I'm going to show you how to make a quick dinner. So you have some context. It's 6:40, like 45-ish. Just got off, just being busy and shit. Like you, I want to show you how to make a quick dinner so you don't have to eat out. Basically, like we talked about for the meal prep, alright, this was the preparation kind of is going to help you. Salmon, get the fats. Then we have our jalapenos and peppers. So I'm already pre-cutting these, but I just want to talk to you guys about like how to cook dinner while I am cutting this. So for dinner is where most people drop the ball. Decisions, you've been making decisions all day, and it's like nobody wants to figure out what to eat. This is why a lot of fast foods are winning right now in the food industry. So this salmon, you want to keep your dinner high protein. I'm getting protein and fats. The cute stuff is just like the the extra stuff like the jalapenos, all that good stuff. All right, I set up really cute. So most people at this point, they're like, oh, I don't know what to do, how to eat dinner. Keep it simple: protein and carbohydrates. You can go to, where'd I get this from? I forgot the name of the fucking store. Fairway. This is already like cooked rice. This takes literally 4 minutes to cook. 4-minute prep time. Preheat the oven, 20 minutes. This cutting stuff, tedious but not long. 1 minute. Then we're gonna take the salmon out. Clean it off a little bit. All right. Drop that in there. We're good to go. And of course, I'm working on eating more vegetables as I get older. I trick myself, and we have vegetables. These are like from Trader Joe, they're like $5 or 2 for $5. Cook these in the same thing as the salmon. Both take about 35-45 minutes, guys. All you have to do is put a little effort in and meet it halfway. You get the results. I'm not a chef, but I gotta make it work. So